family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. Can you please follow me on Instagram at Selina Zinchuk and also my business page at SSecrets2018. We post shorter videos of our DIY treatment. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you in any way. In today's video, we are going to be combining three amazing natural ingredients to make a one-of-a-kind hair growth oil. This oil is going to help you with thicker hair, stronger hair. It also helps with hair growth. It reduces dandruff and itchy scalp. If you would love to see exactly what I put together, then please keep on watching. I will be using my fresh aloe vera plant. I'm just going to try to take the ones that I need for this mixture. Personally, I still have my aloe vera in pot sitting out because when it starts getting cold, I'm going to take it in. I'm no more in Florida to leave it out. I got all my fresh aloe vera plant and then my fresh cactus that I also plucked from my garden. We are going to soak this overnight just to get the portion away from the aloe vera and also so the cactus can become softer. I'm just going to cut them up in smaller pieces and then we will continue tomorrow morning. Some people have problems with me using knives because I'm lefty. It sometimes look a little bit scary, so I'm just going to go off camera and do this and I'll come back. All what I'm doing is just slicing it in smaller pieces and then I will be taking the sharp ends from on the aloe vera plant and also just cutting it up in smaller pieces. Slash aloe vera and slash cactus, and this is how it is looking. I'm just going to cover it up with a cling wrap until tomorrow morning. So this is the next morning and this is how our aloe vera water is looking. That is why I love to soak my aloe vera for a longer period of time, preferably overnight, just to get rid of the laxity, that yellow solution that can be on aloe vera. It is also called ironing and it is very toxic. Some people have allergic reaction to it. That is why I love to rinse it out, especially my kids also. So after transferring it, I'm now just going to rinse it one more time and transfer it into our blender. If you know how to use aloe vera the right way, it is very effective for hair growth. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and it leaves your hair feeling very smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E. Three of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shining hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. The fresh cactus that we added to this mixture is very high in fatty acids, which are excellent in preventing and reducing hair loss. It contains vitamins and minerals which help promote healthy and shining hair. The essential vitamins and minerals from cactus help keep individual hair follicles protected. Cactus also contain natural gels similar to aloe vera that moisturizes the hair strands and prevent dry, brittle, and damaged hair. The almond oil that we added to this mixture helped to promote hair growth. It also helps with regrowth of hair and decreases hair thinning. It contains magnesium, calcium, and zinc. Our last ingredient is our nettle leaf. Nettle leaf contains high amounts of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help protect your scalp from damage and stimulates new hair growth. Nether leaves are also rich in minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc, which can give our hair follicles a great boost. I will be adding in 1 cup of nether leaf to our mixture. Not only does nether leaf combat hair loss, it also helps in hair regrowth. Nether leaves are rich in silica and sulfur, minimizing hair breakage and hair thinning, while also regenerating hair follicles. We will be cooking our oil on the lowest heat possible. Just make sure that it is on very low heat and try stirring it every now and then. The pot that I'm using, it is a non-stick pot, so I didn't have any burning from the bottom, but if you are using just a regular pot, then you have to stir it more often than the way I'm doing mine. It's been on for 3 hours now on low heat, and this is how the oil is. I'm going to leave it for a couple of hours, that it just slowly cook also, to get rid of all of the water within the aloe vera and the cactus. Our oil been on for about 5 hours now. I'm not seeing any more trace of water from our aloe vera and our cactus. I'm now just going to turn the fire off and I will leave it for it to cool down. I also plan to leave it overnight so that it can further infuse. And look at that color, it's just beautiful. I try to keep this oil very simple but effective. That is why I use only 3 amazing natural ingredients. If you are making it for yourself, you can tweak the recipe or add as much ingredients as you want to it. This is how our final oil is looking. It looks so beautiful. I love the color. And everything I've just settled down to the bottom, so I'm just going to take my time and screen it so that I don't mix it up too much. The next morning, our oil is completely cooled down now. I'm just going to screen it. I've already sterilized our container that we'll be using. With this oil having only these 3 natural ingredients, you can also use it on your skin. You can also whip it up into a body butter and a hair butter. If you want to use it on your hair, you can add some essential oils to it to boost the smell to something nice because this have this natural earthly smell to it. Okay family, if you decide to give this oil a try, please let me know. If you love this video, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.